Hello viewer, in this video tutorial I will generate a new layer there. Unlock it first, then take these designs here. I will find it, create another design. We can write anything. So there we are. I will take the designs here, make the different shapes. So we will take the pattern stamp on that surface, keep on editing, change the pattern. Here we have to take it, fill up these pores here.